Go upstairs. Come on. K76. Okay, let's go. Passing platform 2, black tail service. Exit terminating on platform 5. The set is M16. Yeah, it's just terminating.
Huh?
Huh?
You gonna leave after 4 minutes?
We've got the bus. We've got the coming down. We've got a basic passing platform number 2. Alright, Eva. B15. Modified Granville service. Next stop, Auburn, then Clyde, Granville, Houseback, Parramatta. There's a water passing platform number 2. We're probably going to Richmond. So there's A7 into Skeptics. B15. Anyways, B15. Now define platform number 5. Number 4. Parramatta by Granville service. The next stop is Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Harris Park, Parramatta. Today is Monday, guys, so yes, all Parramatta services have proceeded back to normal, which is a good thing about this train. Yes, yes, I have an appointment. So B19 over there, alligator set. B15. The B19 overshot a little bit, LMAO.
The next train to
We've got B19 now departing platform number 3 for a series of service via Town Hall. The next stop is Flemington, then Sheffield, Burwood, Ashford, then Newtown, Redford, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Keys to James Museum. Next stop. We have got a Tangara passing platform number 2. Are they going to go Blacktown service by the looks of it? Rattle. 10 and a half. And 27, arriving on platform number 4. Liberty Village Clyde service. From half on 27. Once I saw one of these sets being replaced by a C-set service. I don't know, like when I went to it, so that's one. We have M27 defining platform number. Put the camera down. 26. 75 Granville via Clyde. Huh? Question mark. Granville via Clyde. That's a bit special. Oh, the next train's a Granville via Clyde service. Probably something wrong. M10 and a half. Oh, this has been coupled for a while now. Next train on platform 4 doesn't stop.
The next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
We get a water arriving on platform number 2. Penrith service by the looks of it, A24 is a step. The next train, platform 4 does not stop for length service. Granville via Clark, don't know why that has to exist. Maybe because of the wrong at Parramatta, I'm not too sure. But I will go and check the app to see if it's like something to do with like issue. So train to Penrith, now departing. Train to Penrith is now departing platform 2. Next stop Parramatta, and then Westmead, but then all Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith. 24, departing for Penrith, 24, departing for Penrith, second to the 4. I think if it's not a Penrith, then it could be an. It is a new replaying service, never mind. You know, since something right behind me, tell me guys, I'm gonna go jump over an M26. There's a lot of M6 today, I swear to God. Let's go over there. Let's go past some crap from too far back. I've got B2 not stopping. Past some crap from number 4. Number 9 on 16. Let's go. B2 empty service. Lidcombe platform number 4. Number 2. We've got B25, the platform number 3, series on the service. Finally see the new pizza.